and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, we're going to be using some more of these iridescent frames, holographic frames, whatever you want to call them. You'll need 5 for this DIY. So what you want to do is take all 5 apart. Now I'm going to take some Gorilla Glue and put it around the inside of the frame. So now I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue in each corner. And now I'm going to reinsert the glass. Here's 4. Here's the 5th one. I'm going to leave this to dry for about 15 minutes. Come back and move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back. And I've cleaned the inside of each one of my glasses inside the frames. So the first thing I want to do is, leave this one flat. And I'm going to glue this one to the side. So I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue and hot glue and glue it to the side. And do the same thing with this one. Now I'm going to allow this to sit up for about an hour. Then I'll come back and move on to the next step. Okay, I'm back. My box is completely glued together. So to address these sides, I really don't like the way that looks. So what I'm going to do is add some of these acrylic diamonds from Dollar Tree right in the corners. And I've already done it on the other 3 corners off camera. So now I have it all the way around. And that kind of evens out the box. There are several ways you can decorate your box. You can put some gigantic snowflakes, some Christmas trees, anything you want to do. You can even use some of the frosted spray paint. Spray paint the back of the glass. You would do that ahead of time, of course, and then put some type of decal on the outside. But for me, I'm going to add crushed glass to mine. Okay, here I have some Mod Podge, my crushed glass, and a paintbrush. So I'm going to pour some Mod Podge into my container. Then brush the Mod Podge right onto the glass. Okay, then take some of your crushed glass and sprinkle it on. Press it down, cover the entire surface of the glass. Now I'll let that sit for about 10 minutes. I'll come in and shake off the excess and move on to the other 4 sides. Okay guys, it's the next day and I'm done adding crushed glass to all sides except for the top. As you can see, there's some open spaces that I need to fill in. So I'm just going to take a smaller brush, put some Mod Podge on it, and just blot it in place. So now I'm going to take some more crushed glass and just put it right on top. Now I'll let this completely dry, then come back and shake off the excess and then seal it in place. Okay guys, I'm back and I've already sealed the glass. I did record it. All you need to do is measure out 2 parts water to 1 part Mod Podge. Mix it, take a big brush like this, and then just lightly brush it on. Let that completely dry, then it'll be sealed. I'll link a video below in the description that shows how to seal it. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is take my ribbon and glue it to the inside, but right in the center. I'm going to use my hot glue gun. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is pull it tight. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm sorry the camera died while I was putting the ribbon on. But again, all I did was cut it and glued it here. Pulled it up here, put some glue here, folded it over, and then glued it right in the center. And I did that to the other 3 sides as well. So while the battery was charging, I went ahead and measured out a strip from here to here. And that's going to be like the end of the ribbon. So what I did was just took the scissors and cut a V out of each end. So now I'm just going to hang it from slightly off the corners and then glue it in the center. Okay, just like that. So now we have that to hang off the sides. Now I also went ahead and cut 2 sizes of ribbon. This is the longer piece and this is the shorter piece. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue the ends together. So now you want to fold it to where this piece is right in the center, where they connect. Now I have 2 of each size. So now I'm going to take the longer pieces and glue them down first. Now I'm going to try and make sure that it's even on each corner. Now I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to turn it around, take the other long piece, put some glue down, and now glue this down in the center as well. Same thing with the smaller pieces. Now you want to glue that down in the center as well. Now you want to take our 4th piece and you want to do this in a different direction. Now I need to measure out a piece that's going to go right in the center. So all we do now is just fluff out the bow. Okay, here's our completed gift box. Rather than use string lights to light my box, I'm going to use one of these lights from Dollar Tree, light it up. So I'm going to light it up, put it on display, come back and let you see what it looks like. And as promised, here's my beautiful high-end Glam gift box. When I tell you that I am in love, believe me. I used the 4x4 frames to create this gift box. They have them in 4x6 and 5x7. So naturally I'm going to make 2 more boxes using the other 2 sizes to create a complete set. I also have another gift box DIY coming up. Originally, I was going to add it to this DIY, but I didn't want to make the video too long, so stay tuned. I hope that you're in the holiday spirit and looking forward to Christmas. I hope you had a beautiful Thanksgiving and you were able to spend time with family and friends. I know I did, and I'm very thankful for that. I also hope that you enjoyed this DIY and it's something that you would like to recreate for yourself. So if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.